Welcome to Fuji Electric's training module. In this video, we will talk about circuit breakers. What are circuit breakers? Circuit breakers are, simply put, devices to protect wires against faults. They are used to distribute electricity to other components, such as contactors and manual motor starters, down to the motor. There are two circuit breakers in Fuji Electric's current lineup: the MCCB, which stands for Molded Case Circuit Breaker, and the ELCB, which stands for Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker. A circuit breaker is characterized by the protection it offers. An MCCB can protect against overcurrent faults, covering overloads and short circuits, and also phase loss faults, where when one of the phases becomes out of sync with the other phases. An ELCB also protects against all of these, plus against ground fault. This current is measured in the milliamps range. Fuji Electric's current lineup of circuit breakers is the Global Twin series, or G-Twin for short. The MCCBs and ELCBs are identical in physical body and mounting pitch dimensions, hence the name Global Twin. The MCCBs have 7 frame sizes ranging from 50 amp frames to 800 amp frames, with rated currents starting from 3 amps up to 800 amps. The ELCBs, on the other hand, have 6 frame sizes ranging from 50 amp frames to 630 amp frames, with rated current from 3 amps to 630 amps. The MCCB is recognizable by the BW at the start of its part number, while the ELCB is recognizable by the EW in the start of its part number. Now let's look at the features for our G-Twin breakers. Our G-Twin breakers are compact, with our 50 amp frame coming in at 75 by 120 by 60 millimeters. They also conform to all worldwide standards, such as the UL, CSA, CE marking, JIS, CCC, and TUV. We also have field installable accessories, such as auxiliary switch, alarm switch, and shunt trips as internal accessories, and thermal covers, insulation barriers, and operating handles as external accessories. Our G-Twin breakers are environmentally friendly, conforming to the RoHS directive, and has cadmium-free contacts. To download any of our current catalogs, including the circuit breaker catalog, please go to americas.fujielectric.com and click on Distribution and Control. Once there, please click on Support to go to the support page. Under our Download Catalog section, you will see our product catalogs. Under Molded Case Circuit Breakers, you will see our G-Twin series USEH240D. This will be the link to download our current catalog for our circuit breakers. Now let's look at the part number structure for the G-Twin breakers. You can find this at Catalog USEH240D on page 10. The part number structure for the MCCB comprises of the product category, the number of poles, rated current, and terminal structure. For the ELCB, there's another category, the rated sensitive current. You can find the information to make up the part number structure on pages 3 to 9 for each MCCBs and ELCBs. Here you'll see the product category on top, the number of poles associated with that breaker, the rated current, and the terminal structures. The black dots means it's valid for that breaker. For ELCBs, you will see another category, the rated sensitive current. It's broken down at 30, 50, and the interchangeable 100, 200, and 500 milliamps. Also, at the bottom of these pages, you will see the part numbers for each internal accessories and external accessories.